What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Zeta Kid coming back with another banger video today, man. And today, man, if you read by that title, I'm gonna be showing you how to get your freeform dreads to hang, man. You feel me? It's not that hard. It's really basic stuff that you have to do to get your freeform dreads to hang. You feel me? I'm gonna just give y'all some few tips and stuff like that. Y'all been asking me stuff about freeform dreads. Y'all been blowing my Instagram up, stuff like that, bruh. So basically, I'm gonna just tell y'all basically what I do to get my hair to, like, you feel me, just drop like this. Whatever y'all wanna know, you feel me? I'm gonna answer more of y'all questions slowly because y'all have been blowing me up with questions. You feel me? But I understand, bro, because I remember when I was in the beginning of the progress, you feel me? I wanted to know how to, like, get your dreads, stuff like that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, I'm not really gonna talk too much. I'm gonna just tell y'all the straight tips that y'all wanna know, you feel me? But anyways, man, before we get into this video, man, make sure y'all like and sub up. Please, you feel me? I've been thankful for all y'all that's been supporting my channel, you feel me? I really do appreciate it. But yeah, man, yeah, y'all should already know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you know your boy Zeta Kid upload another banger video. You dig? But yeah, man, anyway, we better get into this video, man. So let's go. Alright, man, so you feel me? I'm gonna give y'all a couple tips, you feel me? So the first thing that y'all should do, you feel me, when you first starting to create your dread, damn, I can't talk. When your dreads is starting to, like, first form, you feel me, you want to start twisting them, you feel me? But a thing that I do have to tell y'all, bro, that's a disclaimer for my dreads. I started dreading my joints at the root. Like, as you can see, my joints is at the root, but I really didn't want them to end up like turning out like this. I wanted mine to turn out like when you got like a big, I do got a fro under it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It's different types of freeform dreads. Like, it's mine. You got a whole bunch of freeform dreads, you feel me? But I'm talking about the ones that, like, actually stick up. And basically, man, I tried to make my hair stick up, but it doesn't work. So basically, I'm gonna just have to thug it out with mine, you feel me? Because everybody got a different style of freeform dreads, so I'm gonna just thug it out with mine, you feel me? Hopefully y'all like my hair. I like it, you feel me? I'm thugging it right now. I do need a cut, not too much, you feel me? But anyways, yeah, man, all I gotta say is when y'all first start, make sure y'all start twisting it. It depends what kind of freeform dreads y'all want. Y'all gotta look up what type of freeform dreads y'all want. But if y'all want mine, I literally just twisted my hair. That's basically what I did. But y'all gotta make sure y'all be consistent with twisting your hair and not getting your hair wet, man. Like I was saying, do not get your hair wet a lot, cause you feel me, you'll twist, where's my fro at? You'll twist like a little part of that. As soon as you get in the shower, wet your hair, it's gonna be out, bro. It's gonna go. You feel me? So you don't wanna get your hair wet a lot, like I was telling y'all. I've been telling y'all this a lot. Do not get your hair wet. You feel me? But just be consistent on twisting your hair, sponge your hair. Me, honestly, I do not sponge my hair no more. I used to, but I just don't no more. You feel me? Because I don't really have to. My dreads are already locked. Well, they're not locked, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't really gotta sponge my hair no more for real. Or something like that, you feel me? But yeah, man, anyways, next thing I'm gonna tell y'all, man, when y'all go to sleep, bro, y'all can use like little rubber bands. Like, it don't have to, well, I need a big one. Like, once your hair get longer, you're gonna have to start getting a big one, so you could just put it all in one instead of just putting it into sections. But I put mine in two. I put mine in, like, I'm not gonna do it right now, but yeah, I put mine in like one big ponytail right here, then one in the back. So basically there's two ponytails at nighttime when I'm ready to go to sleep. But cause I'm ready to do it right now, cause after this video I'm ready to go to sleep. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I got y'all, bro. But yeah, man, y'all should get like rubber bands. But I'm ready to get the big black one so I can start just putting it all up in one, hopefully. Hopefully my hair can fit in one. I think it can. It should be long enough. But yeah, man, just start using rubber bands and stuff like that. Start putting your hair up so it can start dropping, you feel me? So it can start. But like I was saying, bro, if y'all want y'all hair to hang, y'all gotta be consistent on twisting y'all hair. You feel me? This twist, it's gonna come down, bro. Y'all gotta be patient with it, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. Freeform dreads, it's a patient hairstyle. You're not just gonna get it in like a year or so. You're gonna have an ugly stage, bro. I'm telling y'all, I didn't have freeform dreads for about 2 or 3 years now. You feel me? Everybody got an ugly stage. But I'm telling y'all, bro, it's worth it, bro. Once you get at the end, you gonna come out, nah, I'm saying, your freeform dreads should come out looking right. But I'm telling y'all, freeform dreads is a process, you feel me? But if you don't want to go through the process, I mean, you might as well just click off the video, I'm sorry. But yeah, man, all jokes aside, I would recommend getting freeform dreads. But if y'all want to give me, if y'all want me to give y'all a disclaimer on Freeform dreads, I'll do that too. But let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, man, y'all gotta be consistent, gotta be patient. It's a lot of stuff with Freeform dreads. A lot of people gonna say they mess with it, a lot of people gonna say they don't, man. That's all I gotta say. But I mess with my hair, so I don't really care what people gotta say. I ain't gonna lie, I was thinking about cutting it, but I don't think I am, to be honest no more. But yeah, man, y'all gotta stay consistent. Start putting y'all hair up, and your Freeform dreads, I mean, the longer they get, they're gonna start dropping eventually. They're not gonna just they're not just gonna stick up for the longest unless you just keep putting your hair up. I mean, I don't know, cause I got different type of Freeform dreads. Like my Freeform dreads are different. Like nobody around where I live at have these. So like I'm like the only nigga with these. So my thing is, all y'all gotta do is just be different with your stuff. You don't gotta copy off my dreads. You can like, you feel me, get your own style, you feel me? Like I tried to copy off people, but obviously my stuff ain't turn out how theirs was. But I ain't really tripping off of it, you feel me? Everybody got their own style, everybody got their new wave, you feel me? And mine was just a new wave. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed my tips. Hopefully I helped y'all a little bit, you feel me? But this tutorial, basically not a tutorial, but basically just tips on how to get your Freeform dress hang, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all like and sub up, man. You feel me? Turn that post notification bell so you know your boy uploading another video, man. We on the grind to this 1,000 subs, bruh. We almost there, bruh. We almost there. But make sure y'all keep supporting, man. Hopefully I helped y'all. And yeah, man. Next video, see y'all boys, man. Sub up, you dig.